Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Today we discuss about past and present time.
Yeah.
Tell me about your past time. I want to know.
My past time is too good, and in my past, every people talk to each other, but in my present, no people talk to each other, and they use their phones, and they don't know who's come and go.
Yeah.
That's it. And you tell about your past and present.
I made many memories in my past time, and I sometimes I remind that things I feel very good, and some also sad memories. And one thing I remind now, when my school's first day. When I went to school, at that time I was very nervous, and when I take a single step towards school, and my principal hand over me and took me in the class and said, "What's your name?" She asked my name at that time. So at that time I was to cry. So I don't say in freely to her my name, and then she said to me, "Why are you crying?" And I said to her, "I cried, that's why. If I don't go home, my mom went to her parental house. That's why I'm crying." And she said, "Don't cry, just sit down and made friends." And I said, "I want to go home." Why are you laughing? And now I remind my last day in my school. This is my present, and I enjoyed a lot of in my farewell party. We danced very well, and everyone's were full of joy at that time. My all teachers have tears because we all left that school, and we also give a powerful speech in school. Everyone cheer up for my speech, and I told about my neighborhood. There are a lot of old people, but their thinking is not so good. And when I went to old auntie, as our sir said, if you want to give more ideas, then you go and sit beside any old lady. And I went to, and then I start my work. At that time, I said to her, "Tell me about something past time, what you do in your past, and what type of girls in past." And she started her talking. She said to me, "In my past, girls are very good." And I said, "You don't know. Nowadays, girls are go ahead in their fields, what they want to do and what they achieve in her life." Then she said, "Yeah, I know, but nowadays girls are fly and touch the sky." And I said, "It is not so," because she said that. And in my past, I had a lot of friends. Some are good and some are also bad. And at that time, there are not available many facilities. And so she said, I mean to say that it is not wrong, and her thinking is not wrong because she don't know the present time very well. That's why. And she mentioned that first time every girl know to how to cook food, and nowadays I think that no one girls know how to cook food. I said that it's not so. Nowadays every girls are not alike. Some are also good, and I think so. Nowadays girls are very good. So she said, nowadays girls are so over. She know about many things, but before that time girls are good, but they don't interrupt anything very well. But nowadays, if anyone talk other people, then girls come and sit beside and try to pay attention their talks. But I think her thinking is so wrong for girls. And now I'm telling about my grandma. She is not so good lady because she always annoyed my family. So that's why. And I don't mean to say that she is not so good. And she has a good thinking for girls. She is not so educated. She passed only fifth class, and she has a lot of experience of life. And then I want to know something about past. Then my grandma said, yeah, tell me what you want to do, what you want to ask me. If you want, then go ahead. And I said, I want to know in past what they think about our their life. And they said at a time there are no lot of facilities available. That's why the girls think only about household works. They interested only household works, not any other work, just like study. And in past, every girls study very well, but not high. But nowadays, girls are very good and they work hard for their career and they set their job. So now I want to know about past and present. What's your opinion? Tell me.
My grandmother, father, and mother. My grandmother and father and mother told in my neighbors. They told that time our neighbors are so good and they come their homes and but nowadays no one come and no one talk to anyone and in my first day of my school my grandmother take me my school and I am crying that she also sit there when my school not leave. After that he go with me 15 days. After that I learn how can sit in class and that's it.
Okay, so you tell something about the past peoples. Me, I think that the past peoples are good, but not also are good because they are thinking are good. But many people think that if present is not good, just like past. But many think that present are good than past because they do a lot of hard work in his past. Wonder my they do a lot of hard work in his past because there is not a facilities available. So I think that the past pupils are good, but many pupils are bad. They think that they said to us when we sit beside him, then they said that you all are not doing any hard work here because you have a lot of facilities and you don't do anything. If you need anything, then you start the. If you need anything, then you have a lot of machines for that. But they don't think about that. That for needing that machines, a human do a lot of hard work. So that's why we use it. But they don't think about that. They think that they are only those people do hard work who live in her past. According to me, those people who lived in past time means your grandfather and grandmother is also that times. So when they said that about these things, in present time, every people is not the same. We
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that in past time many people are good, but some are bad. that things is allowed also in this case. So according to me, facilities are increased. That's why we have a lot of harmfulness from that things. Because of facilities, human get a lot of diseases, just like many big diseases. Human make like but in past time they do a lot of hard work, and there is no any vehicle is available. So then they used to go by walking to any place. Please go ahead. Okay. So according to me, when somebody said that human increases a lot of facilities, but they also do a lot of hard work. But due to that facilities, we faces a lot of problems. Means we increases a lot of factories. There's many people works. They have jobs. But in that case, we also harm our environment. A lot of when some time ago many factories are not available. So that time pollution is not a much. Because that time our nature is so good. But now in present time our nature is not so good. But we planted plant in a less quantity of trees. But we cut a lot of trees. You know that in the past time, when our grandfather and grandmother lived, at that time there are a lot of trees and a lot of forest also. But now in present time people cut the trees and make their factories and many more things. So that is not good in present time. But I think that you know what? Why these things are happening? We cut the trees and make the factories, and those fields we rest for only for plants. We cut the plants and they are the fertile. You know why? I don't know. I tell you because pollution is increasing. Sorry, population is increases. That's why we need a lot of jobs and we need a lot of things also. Then we do sometime ago many people left their fields for garden. You know that thing very well because you also live in place. That's why. Now then the people think that if they planted some trees on his roof, then they think that I can save the environment by it. Many people thinking is this, but they don't think that if they cut the more trees, then how can they breathe properly? You know about many diseases which is made by air. Many things are good in present, but people smoke and cars created more pollution. Then because it's also sound pollution. You know that in past time people they don't smoke more. I know that they smoke, but don't like nowadays. And I don't understand what this is happening or not. This is happening, but now people you see here and there everyone take a cigarette in his hand and they smoke there. So anywhere. So that's why because of smoking a big disease is increasing. It's a cancer also. So I think that it's not good in present time. So Sanskriti, want to say something about the past peoples and present peoples?
In my opinion, present people and past people both are good, but not all.
Everything has two sides.
Yes, both are equal. Some people are good, some people are not good, according to me.
Old people said that nowadays the prices of everything is increasing. That thing, that information is right or wrong in your opinion? It's right. It's right that the prices are increasing nowadays. But you think that the price of that time, according to me, this quotation is wrong. Why is wrong? Because that time we said that when we live whole time means past time, we your salary is only 3,300. 300. And my teacher salary is also at that time 300. Yeah, yeah. So that time prices of everything is not much. But now time of salary of a government college teacher about 70,000 or 70,000 plus then 70,000. A lecturer at one lakh rupees. So according to me, that's why the money of the price of increasing, and also and you know that the population is also increasing, so that's why their demand is also high. So that's why the prices are increasing. Yeah, you are right. Because the things are limited in the world, not much more. Everything is limited. So that's why the prices are increasing, because we use a lot of things, and we don't know the value of water, and you know that the water is only 1% remains in our earth for drinking. Yeah. So you know the condition, Shruti, you know the case of lava.
I have no idea about lava.
Means there's a people, I hear that, I can't see because I don't know lava. So there's a people drink and use that water which flows in the gutter. They purify that. So these conditions are applied, and in places and small towns, people switch on their summers, and mostly half hour or 20-30 minutes they waste their water. According to me,
Yeah,
am I right or wrong?
you are right.
So you tell something about your neighbors, people's habit, which you think is wrong or right.
My neighbors people is also good and some of it wrong. Because at that time it was Eid. At that time everyone switch on their summer and start cleaning up their homes, and they don't have care about water because they don't know the value of water, and everyone understand the value of water, and because they can't live without water, but they don't understand. And if any big function happening at that time, they switch on their summer and start cleaning up without any reason. If they feel some hotness, it means some summer.
Yeah.
At that time, they also switch on the summer and start bathing. And I say, in my opinion, I always watch these all things that are happening a lot in my neighborhood. And I said that I said that thing to a boy. He used water for building thing, and I said, you know what are means of water? Then he said, what are you saying so? And I said, because you don't know value of water. That's why I want to explain you what is water. And then he said to me, I just using water for my own works, and I said it is wrong work. And if you waste your water for wrong works, at that time you are a criminal about water.
Yeah.
That's
So if those pupils wasted much water, if they go like that, there's a no much consume water for drinking or
Yeah.
bathing, then you understand which type of difficultness they are faced.
They face many types of difficulties.
This is punishment for them.
Yeah.
According to me, this is right. If they are settled in any their places, then it is right.
I tell a story about my student, and I went to for coaching her home. At that time, she was working, and I said to her mother, see how many times she was, and she said to me, she is working for a long time, about three to five times. And I said to her, you don't deny her for bathing, and she said she don't understand my words. When I scolded her at that time, she began to use wrong and right word about me, and then I explain a lot about water, and then I said, if you waste a lot of water, then water is finishing in our earth, and then what you do, and what you watching a lot of.
Can you tell me water is much important for air, means oxygen?
I think both are most important.
Yeah.
In
But
earth.
if you want to choose any one, then what you choose? Means I said that if
I said that if we have no water, and then we have no air.
okay, if we don't water the plant, then plants don't gives us.
Because plants proceed oxide, carbon dioxide, by which we can consume oxygen. That's why.
So
Yeah.
I want to ask Sanu. Sanu, please tell me about your grandmother, because you have a loving grandmother, and she also tell you about his past, what she do in his past, how can she stand his past.
His past is not so good, so bad, because he have not a job. Then he get a job. She do hard work and get a job, and see our present time is condition so good.
Okay, so you know about a ritual, then means father in daughter-in-law covered his face in front of father-in-law, and there's in-laws family. So what you said about that, but now's position is opposite.
Yeah.
I know. Father-in-law covered his face, but daughter-in-law is not covering his face. Yeah. So what you want to say about that condition? Because I think that this rule is wrong. Which rule? In past present rule, past time rule. But this is right. No, I don't say that this is right. Okay. If our daughter-in-law, she gave her father-in-law a respect, but it's not that you know that the past time ladies, she lived just like. You know about that the past time women, they covered his face whole day, and they feel that they all blind. She is blind, and she is living in a cave. She have no freedom to do anything. But now you know about now situation. You know about nowadays women. They don't, not all. Okay, you say not all women, but some some are thinking that now's condition is so good for me and I do everything what I want to do, and she don't take any permission in your family, and she do everything. But I think that it's not right that if a girl you are not what he said. He said she covered his face long. So I don't say that it's right. But if she give her a respect, a little respect, it's right. So I want to ask to you a question. I gave you a conclusion of all things. Yeah. Okay. So according to me, the conclusion of all things, we said that we don't cross our limits. Yeah. And also not me means everyone want to cross their limits. We have all limits, then we remain all limits. Then we never face any problem. But means respect is a very important thing for everyone. Yeah. If it's elder or young. If you give due respect to anyone, then they also give you respect. But if you don't give him respect, then how can they give you respect? So I want to ask that you have a loving grandparents. So just tell me about his past. Means my grandfather was. I have a problem. What I said. Tell me about your grandparents. So please check the mics.
Sometimes I usually said sometimes I usually said pastime to daughter-in-law's wives. Speak loudly.
Because in past, daughter-in-law covered their face and they do whole work of their family and do everything, but they can't show their face to everyone.
Yes,
And this is wrong.
it's wrong, but in my opinion, it's wrong. But present time, every daughter-in-law do not some daughter-in-law don't cover his face, and his father-in-law and any brother-in-law all come and he don't cover her face. It's right or wrong?
It's wrong.
Both are wrong. So what is right?
But in my opinion, they covered his face, but in their respect, who will come and who will go.
And when we gave her permission to don't cover her face, when in your opinion what she do?
Then it's in-laws.
When we gave permission, you do all type of work and don't cover your face.
And this is their in-laws problem, what they said to their daughter-in-law.
But in my opinion, when we gave her permission, then we do all type of work on his according to her. But in my opinion, they don't cover his face. All face don't cover his face, and past time they covered his face, totally covered his face. And in present time, they don't cover her face.
In past, they covered their face and they do a lot of work and they cooking food and they work.
But in my opinion, nowadays daughter-in-law don't cover his face, and do any type of work. But she can take a scarf on her head. It's right or wrong?
It's right.
So tell me anything more. In past, what she knows.
In past, daughter-in-law covered their face and they cook food for whole family. And at that time, there are many people because people live in joint family and their uncle-in-law, father-in-law comes and their in-law, their sister-in-law get served all in-laws. What are you thinking? What you want to say? They cook their food and sometimes they burn. At that time their hands burn and their sister and daughters-in-law sister. Now I ask Sanu Didi. In your opinion, past time is good or present time is good?
Both are good.
Tell me one. Past. Tell me something about your past and tell me something about your present.
My past time is not good because my father is so ill. So that's why my present time is so good.
And tell me anything more about your past.
So tell me your past time and present time.
Sometimes my past is good and sometimes my past is not good and sometimes my present is good and sometimes not good. Because sometimes my family with each other we talk about each other and we do some naughtiness, it's good. But sometimes my father ill and many problems are created that it's not good.
Okay, you ask. I want to ask about past family. Past family is it means what type of they alive.
They live very good way, in very good way, and they meet to each other and they goes there's someone's home and they eat the food and but nowadays no one can do anything.
Because nowadays we have a phone.
Yeah.
It is happening many things in home, and we don't need to meet anyone if you have phone. Because nowadays people think that it is not my thing. Because I think that if we meet two people more and more, then we understand them very well, and at that time we make some fun a lot, and we don't using phone more and more, and we also try to know the ambience of outside. It is very important for a student life, and we have limit for everything, but we have no limit for study because we can study without limit. So be limitless. And anything else?
In past, first I told in present children are not go to outside for playing games and they use mobile and play games in mobile like Free Fire, PUBG. That's
In your opinion, it is right?
It's
What's
not-
happening?
it's
It is
not
all right.
It's not right. But in past, children go to outside and they play gilli danda and
Tell me about Gilli and Danda.
I don't know. My father
Okay.
told me and they play gutta and and they play cricket. But they go to outside for playing. But nowadays they don't play
play to go to outside.
It means you think so that nowadays no any game. We have no any game for playing.
Yeah, we have games, but nowadays children don't want to play any type of games. They only use their mobiles.
And so, in your opinion, it is right.
It's not right.
Which type of game we play?
We
We we have to play.
we play outside game.
Yeah.
We play outside game and our health is too good. And but we play inside game. You want to play Free Fire, then you go and
I mean to say that, and we play more and more outside game. For that, our IQ power increase and our IQ power help us in study.
yeah.
Yeah. So, according to me, outside and outdoor games are benefit for all, and everyone's play. It doesn't matter you are old or young. Everyone's.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I ask you, time's up now. We cut it.
That's